It's really windy. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but behind me is that tiny house that we made of 98% reclaimed materials. I hope you're doing really well. We're just at our property right now. Behind me is the house that we made of 98% reclaimed materials. This is a little garden we put in front. So there's a little like office room space and a little patio area. And this will be the greenhouse spot so I can grow. I'm probably gonna grow all my stuff for making skincare products and other blends and tinctures of just different herbs. Yeah, so this will be my art studio. This is what I'm going to turn it into. It was all reclaimed materials, and what we're going to do is cover it with aircrete, and I'm going to put plastic bottles and cans in the cracks. Yeah, so you guys will see what we do with that. But yeah, this is really awesome. I mean, we have a whole pallet fence here, another platform to build a cool little yoga spot. Yeah, guys, this is awesome. Well, we're gonna head back now. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Here's a little garden part for you. I want you all to just take a second. Breathe in.